AJAZZ AK980 without display version. The keyboard supports tri-mode connectivity, wired, Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz wireless, compatible with Mac and Windows. The hand feel of this keyboard is excellent. It offers a solid, well-balanced typing experience without any noticeable hollowness. Around the back, you will find a visually appealing design that adds a unique and stylish touch. You can adjust the height according to your preference. It features durable double-shot PBT keycaps that offer sharp legends and a premium finish, along with sunflower bunny switches known for their smooth and responsive actuation.